We are at the former DC prison at Lorton, also known as the Laurel Hill Adaptive Reuse Area. This is a historic site. The county has been working with the community and with a developer partner to realize a master plan for the site. There were restrictions when the county purchased the former DC prison property. There were two areas identified for adaptive reuse. One was this site, and one was the site now developed with the Workhouse Arts Center on Route 123. So with the deed came a requirement that the property be adaptively reused. The property was then listed on the National Register of Historic Places, which places restrictions on redevelopment as well. The master plan for the property called for apartments in the reformatory dorms, those buildings. It also recommended new residential construction on the site, which will be townhomes and then some single-family homes as well. The plan also called for renovation of the historic penitentiary buildings for commercial uses, as well as some new retail construction within the penitentiary walls. It also recommends redevelopment of the power plant building for retail use and redevelopment of the historic chapel for a community use. The construction is anticipated to begin in the fall of 2014, starting with the renovation of these dorms and with bringing in infrastructure to the site. The goal of the master plan was to look at opportunities to create a mixed-use development here. We are in a suburban setting. It's not, at anywhere near the densities that we will see in Tysons or Reston. But there is an opportunity to increase the neighborhood retail opportunities here, and the ability for the neighborhoods that have been developed since the prison closed. We'll be able to walk here and enjoy the historic site and the amenities that are offered.